talking about population and resource consumption.
Yeah, but I mean, you're talking about standard of living. That's a relatively narrow slice of this pie. What about, from this map, the impact of pollution and the increase in tropical diseases, in asthma, the lack of food supply, not just from the ocean, but from farming and other forms of agriculture, and wars?
Well, the way I look at this in a simplistic scientific view is, what can the planet provide us? And as pollution increases, as ecosystems are beat up, if not completely wiped out, the planet can provide less and less. So we have a problem in which we have more people, and then we have a big multiplier, which is more people who want to live well, and then we have a planet which can provide less and less. And so you've got there's a collision point there. And I think that's what we're beginning to see. And that, quite frankly, is really the big concern among those of us who study sustainability, that rather than approach sustainability in an elegant fashion, we'll approach it in the way that what's-his-name thought would happen, where you go from 9 billion to 2 billion, which is, that's a huge, that's war, that's starvation, that's disease, that's ugly.
Yeah, well, I think that's what we were looking at in 2007. Let's go on to the next one. And, Jim, what we should talk about is you're going on sabbatical. Jean and I are going to continue to work. On the 20th, we're going to talk about salt marshes and the fisheries in more depth. This is a map, by the way, of